Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make split pea soup with a ham bone. First, let's prepare our peas. Begin by rinsing 1 pound of dried split peas very well under cold water. Next, place them in a large bowl and cover them with plenty of fresh water. Allow them to soak for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This simple step helps them cook more evenly and quickly. Now, let's build the foundation of our soup's flavor. In a large pot, sauté 1 cup each of diced carrots, celery, and onion until they are softened, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, add your ham bone, ideally around 2 pounds, directly into the pot. Pour in 8 cups of chicken broth, ensuring all ingredients are well covered. This combination creates a deeply savory base. With our ingredients in the pot, it's time to simmer. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 1 to 2 hours. The peas should become incredibly tender. Carefully remove the ham bone, shred any meat from it, and set the meat aside. For a creamier consistency, blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender or a regular blender. Finally, let's bring it all together for serving. Stir the shredded ham back into the pot. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper as needed. Remember, ham can be salty. Serve your delicious split pea soup warm, perhaps garnished with some fresh parsley or crispy croutons for added texture. It's a comforting meal perfect for any day. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.